1. Owls can rotate their heads up to 270 degrees without damaging blood vessels. 2. They have asymmetrical ears, which help them locate sounds with incredible accuracy. 3. Owls' eyes are not spherical but tube-shaped, providing excellent depth perception. 4. Most owl species have 3 eyelids, one for blinking, one for sleeping, and one for cleaning their eyes. 5. Owls' feathers are specially designed to reduce noise, making their flight nearly silent. 6. Their eyes take up about 70% of their skull, leaving little room for a brain. 7. Owls come in various sizes, from the tiny elf owl, 5 inches tall, to the giant Eurasian eagle owl with a wingspan of nearly 6.5 feet. 8. They have incredible night vision due to a high number of rod cells in their retinas. 9. Owls have zygodactyl feet, with 2 toes pointing forward and 2 backward, ideal for gripping prey. 10. Their feathers often mimic their surroundings, providing perfect camouflage. 1. Owls are carnivores, eating rodents, insects, fish, and even other birds. 2. They have specialized facial discs that funnel sound to their ears. 3. Some owls, like the barn owl, can hear a mouse's heartbeat from several feet away. 4. They are capable of swallowing small prey whole and later regurgitating pellets containing indigestible parts like bones and fur. 5. Owls' talons are incredibly strong, capable of exerting up to 500 pounds of pressure per square inch. 6. The snowy owl can consume up to 1,600 lemmings in a year. 7. Owls hunt primarily at night but can also be active during dawn and dusk, making them crepuscular. 8. The great horned owl is known as the tiger of the sky for its powerful hunting skills. 9. Some species, like the burrowing owl, eat fruit and seeds in addition to meat. 10. Owls have a highly efficient digestive system, extracting all nutrients from their prey. 11. Owls are solitary birds, except during mating or when raising chicks. 12. They are monogamous and often mate for life. 13. Many species perform unique courtship rituals, such as food offerings or synchronized flight displays. 14. Owls do not build their own nests, they often use abandoned ones or natural cavities. 15. Baby owls are called owlets and are born blind and helpless. 16. Parent owls fiercely defend their young from predators. 17. Some owls fake death when threatened, lying motionless until danger passes. 18. Owls communicate with each other using a variety of sounds, including hoots, screeches, and whistles. 19. Different owl species have unique calls, and some, like the barn owl, produce eerie screeches instead of hoots. 20. Owls bob their heads to improve depth perception and pinpoint the exact location of prey. 21. Owls are found on every continent except Antarctica. 22. They can live in a variety of environments, including forests, deserts, grasslands, and urban areas. 23. The burrowing owl makes its home in underground burrows, often dug by prairie dogs. 24. Snowy owls live in the Arctic and are well adapted to freezing temperatures. 25. Tropical owls, like the spectacled owl, thrive in rainforests. 26. Some species, such as the short-eared owl, are migratory and travel vast distances. 27. Urban environments provide food and shelter for adaptable species like the barn owl. 28. Owls prefer nesting in high places like tree hollows, cliffs, or barn rafters. 29. They are territorial and mark their range with vocalizations or physical displays. 30. The long-eared owl is a master of camouflage, blending perfectly into tree bark. 31. In ancient Greece, owls were symbols of wisdom and knowledge, associated with the goddess Athena. 32. In some cultures, owls are considered omens of death, while in others, they bring good fortune. 33. The Aztecs believed owls were messengers of the underworld. 34. Owls appear in folklore and mythology worldwide, often as mysterious and magical creatures. 35. In Japan, the word for owl, fukuro, also means luck and protection from suffering. 36. Many Native American tribes view owls as protectors of sacred knowledge. 37. Harry Potter's snowy owl, Hedwig, popularized owls in modern pop culture. 38. In Hindu mythology, owls are associated with Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth. 39. Owls are featured on the currency of several countries, including Greece and the USA. 40. Ancient Romans believed an owl's call foretold the death of great leaders. 41. The barred owl has a heart-shaped face and is one of the most widespread owl species. 42. The elf owl is the smallest owl, weighing as little as a golf ball. 43. The great gray owl has the largest facial disc of any owl species. 44. Snowy owls are diurnal, hunting during the day in the Arctic summer. 45. The burrowing owl is one of the few species that live underground. 46. The Blakiston's fish owl is the largest owl species and specializes in catching fish. 47. The spotted owl is an endangered species native to North America. 48. The tawny owl is known for its haunting call, often heard in European forests. 49. The long-eared owl gets its name from its prominent feather tufts that resemble ears. 50. The frogmouth owl of Southeast Asia looks more like a frog than a typical owl. 51. A group of owls is called a parliament. 52. Baby owlets often stay in the nest for several weeks before learning to fly. 53. Owls do not have teeth. Instead, they use their beaks to tear food. 54. Owls can turn their heads so far because their necks contain 14 vertebrae, twice as many as humans. 55. Some owls, like the barn owl, are used by farmers as natural pest control. 56. Owls have specialized neck arteries to ensure blood flow during head rotation. 57. The barn owl can locate prey in complete darkness using sound alone. 58. Fossil evidence shows that owls have been around for at least 60 million years. 59. Owls cannot move their eyes side to side, which is why they turn their heads. 60. The owl's hoots and screeches have inspired countless legends, ghost stories, and song.